Hey guys, been a while. So as a request, someone asked to show you guys how to do some HTML and JavaScript. So those can actually be worked together to create websites. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make tic-tac-toe using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Now I'm going to do this part by part, so I'm going to cut this out at maybe 5 minutes. So do 5 minutes a piece, so it's less intense all at once. So basically what's going to come out to be is you got your title. This is what's going to be telling you who's playing. So you click, now it changes, boom, boom, boom. Now if someone were to win, boom, there you go. Very basic. So what you want to do is you don't even need any software, but if you want to download some software, you can. You can do any code editor, really. I'm just going to use basic Notepad++ because it's simple. So what you're going to do is, you could even just use Notepad, but you're going to open up a file, save it anywhere you want. I don't know where I want to put it, I guess. I'll put it right here. So you're just going to put, you can call it anything. We usually say index. You can put HTML, right? And then just save it. Call it anything you want, .html. Boom, done. So now, what you want to do is we're going to tell the computer that this is actually going to be a doc type, which is what every website is. It's actually a document everywhere. So we're going to then open up these things. These are called tags. So you gotta close and open them. So basically anything with tags is those little less than and greater than signs. And then we're gonna open up a head tag. Close the head tag. Some code editors will automatically close tags for you as you open them, which saves time. I don't have that here because I reset my computer, but it's not a big deal. So body, which is where you're gonna put all the stuff that you want on your website. That's gonna go in the body. So in the head, so I said we were gonna do some CSS, right? So we got a link. We didn't make that file yet, but we're going to. So link. So we'll say href equals style.css, and then we'll say round equals style. And then we're gonna have that JavaScript that we're gonna be using as well. Okay, so right now, all we did was create a basic HTML file. So basic. Even though we did not create this file yet, and we did not create this file yet, it can still work. So you're gonna just open up whatever browser. You don't even have to use Google Chrome. I'm just using Google Chrome because who doesn't use Google Chrome? But I'm just so if you're on a computer with Windows, you're just gonna hit Control O. If you're on a Mac, you're gonna do Commando. Basic. Anyway, so you're gonna go over here to wherever you saved your file and just open it up. See, there it is. You hit open, and it's just a blank thing, but it worked. See, right here, it's where you saved it, and that's the name of it, and it's blank. Now, if we were to go into code and do something like, do I appear? Make sure you save it. You always have to save. You can do like Control S real quickly. Boom. Go back here and you have to reload the page because obviously this is the previously loaded code, reload, do I appear? Boom, there it is. So that's how obviously I got to do the tic-tac-toe thing before. So tic-tac-toe, right? And then boom, there it is. Now if you want to align stuff and center it, we're going to open up a div. So like that. Now what this does, it like groups things together. That's what div does. So if you do this, now all these quotations and stuff matter. So I said align equals center in quotes. So anything inside the div, so between the closing and opening tags, right? And this is all in the body. Anything that goes on the website is going to go in the body. So there you go. There it is. So we have a title there. So I mean that seems kind of simple for 5 minutes, but you can mess around with that. And H1, oh, I probably should have described H1. That makes sense. Is a heading. So you can do anyone between H1 and H6. So H1 would be the biggest and H6 would be the smallest. There's different heading tags. See how tiny that is? But it's still there. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.